Doxing is becoming an epidemic in our country. First, it was libs of TikTok. Now, Supreme Court justices. Pro-abortion protesters have released private home information about these justices so that way people could take their protests directly to their houses, because we know how peaceful these protests like to stay. Jen Psaki was being asked some questions about this. Found a clip of it on Twitter. It was one of the better clips that I could find about it. So let's just watch that real quickly.
About yesterday, so just about moving forward, these activists posted a map with the home addresses of the Supreme Court justices. Is that the kind of thing this president wants to help your side make their point?
They posted a map. They didn't just leak the information. They were like, this is how you get there.
Look, I think the president's view is that there's a lot of passion, a lot of fear, a lot of sadness from many, many people across this country about what they saw in that leaked document.
Sadness about not being able to murder babies.
Obviously want people's privacy to be respected. We want people to protest peacefully if they want to protest. That is certainly what the president's view would be.
So he doesn't care if they're protesting outside the Supreme Court or outside someone's private residence?
I don't
That's a very good question.
have an official U.S. government position on where people protest. I want it.
That's a good answer. She's good at this.
We want it, of course, to be peaceful. And certainly the president would want people's privacy to be respected. But I think we shouldn't lose the point here. The reason people are protesting.
They're being very careful to say that they want it to stay peaceful because they know these Supreme Court justices, they actually know the law. They know that doxing is not allowed.
Is because women across the country are worried about their fundamental rights that have been law for 50 years. Their rights to make choices about their own bodies and their own health care are at risk. That's why.
Don't they say that men have no right to have an opinion on abortion, but yet they can't define a man or a woman, and also men are the ones that put this into action to begin with?
People are protesting. They're unhappy. They're scared.
They're unhappy and scared that they can no longer have sex without consequences. Now, I decided to just pull up the definition of doxing. I thought that it might be good for any conversational sake that you may have going forward. So based on Google's dictionary definitions, to dox is search for and publish private or identifying information about a particular individual on the internet, typically with malicious intent. And I'll just pull back up the article right here from National Review. Pro-abortion movement to dox intimate Supreme Court justices. This isn't a joke. You can't just leak their information. Keep fighting for the truth.